So are we just gonna do it now? I'm just gonna climb in the fucking bed and show everyone how to do the fucking thing with the shit?
Yes.
Is that, yeah.
Yeah, they're asking you to do the thing. Show them the technique.
This is fucked. So you go to sleep, you climb in, and you slide your feet under, right? Then you go as far as you can, and then move the flap, and then you fix this, right? Now assume the lights are off, obviously. And you can't see it, but my hands are like this underneath, right? And then you just kind of stare at the ceiling for like, how long do I do that for? Like 45 minutes?
I would say.
Okay, then you slowly turn, and every turn you nudge your shoulder up so that you can get the stuff. And then you just lie flat and then put these perfectly, right? And so like I'll move this back. So this is like a right angle?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So then, and if it gets down, you get it right up to the back of your head. And then you can sleep. Right? And then, in the morning, you wake up, and you're in this position. Yeah. Then you slowly, and you pull on this to make sure it keeps going.
It's like poetry, it rhymes.
And you flip it over, right?
Yeah.
Now, there's two methods. One is you grab it as far as you can with your baby arms. You do this, and then you can't cut it out, right? Or, if you're really lazy, you can just kind of do this, and just kind of fall out.
If you think he's kidding,
and then
he's not kidding.
Then you do that, right? And you get over here and you fix that and you get it. Right?
Mm-hmm.
And then, so that you can go to bed later, you know. Yeah.
Okay, Aiden Jawar would like to know, why is this room so barren?